So hi, here I made a code for using Python for COVID-19 research or a database creation type of. So firstly, I'm going to demonstrate the code, then I will show how it is working. So first I am here running, then it is showing a welcome portal and it is giving three options: new user, existing patient, or exit. So let's say I'm going with new user, I'm pressing 1. And then it is asking for username. Say I am entering my username. Then it is asking for Aadhaar number. Then I am entering Aadhaar number. Then it is saying for vaccine. So I'm let's select Covishield one. So it is the user has been registered and it is returning username, Aadhaar, and vaccine. So let's say I'm going for now existing user. If portal is then if it is asking for username, let's say I am entering a random username. So it is saying verifying patient is not found. You have to register it first. So let's say I enter the earlier registered username. It is showing the patient found, welcome Gaurav and Covishield. Then it is for basically a research for what vaccine and what virus is doing. So I have taken the different vaccine for their durability and different virus for their waves and variants. So let's say currently it is in with durability 100 and virus life 100 and variant is alpha. So if you want to inject or effect, I will explain later what is doing inject and what is doing effect. As let's say if I am injecting, then injecting virus, then virus life is reducing and vaccine showing its effect and durability of a vaccine is also reducing. Let's say I'm injecting again, then vaccine durability again reducing and virus life is again reducing. Mm, injected, sorry, it is due to a multiple inputs. So let's say this is a wireframe. Now I'm going to explain my code. So let's say I have taken here the input integer and I'm calling the object. You check this object and then with this value input n. Then it is going, if user is pressing 1 new user, then it 2 the existing patient, and then 3 that is exit. So let's say if it is pressing 1, then here it is calling object info function. Object info, I'm going in object info function in the new user class. It is with I have used a file handling with these files with to save the data, and then I'm asking for username, user Aadhaar number, and user vaccine which he want to take. Then I'm printing the data using this function. I'm showing to file handling case. This is the database file I have created, which is let's see you have entered the username, it stores the data, and these files which store the data which user have taken Covishield, which user have taken Pfizer, which use Sputnik, and which Covaxin. Let's say Covishield and the 2 user have taken Covishield. And then in code, if let's say if a user is someone is choosing in existing object, existing user, so it is calling in info object exist check. So exist check function. Yeah, it will come here, and first of all it check the database where is the user exist in database or not. User database txt file. Here I am checking with the variables like if name which entered a username, if it is found in that file, then it is showing patient found. If it is not in that database, then loop basically runs, and if flag is equals to become remains 0, then it is patient not found. If a user found, then flag will become 1, loop will break, and it is showing patient found. If patient found, then it will call the info exist function. Info exist. Yeah, here if info exist function here I have taken given the variant is equals to basically 1, it is first stage, and wave is also 1, and boost variable is also 10, and our R value is basically how vaccine is going to show effect against virus. Then different vaccine have different R value. Then it is called or calling calculate function. Then in calculate function, yeah, if let's say it is coming, then if you choose, if you have two options, either calculate in calculate function, let's say, yeah, here calculate function, then with this value, now here in calculate function, you will come here. Yeah, calculate function, sorry. Yeah, here if a variant is equals to 1, then basically first stage is there, then I'm assigning that variant is alpha, vaccine durability is 10, life is 100, and a random number with which virus will work. And these are all different variant and wave, beta, gamma, sigma. Then it is basically calling that printing you have been tested for this wave and boost variable on the variable. If now if it will in calculate function, then if the durability of vaccine is greater than 0 or life is greater than 0, then it will ask you to what you want to do, whether you want to inject or effect, which variable you want to do. Then you will give input, and then it will call injected or effect function. In injected, or I'm going to show here, if you inject then life of virus is going to reduce, and the durability of vaccine is also going to be reduced. If you select effect function, then life of virus is same, but vaccine durability will reduce. This will work as effect function. Then you will test for different wave and different variant. If virus is less than, life becomes 0 before the fourth wave or fourth variant, then it will basically show that virus defeated. If life is becoming or you pass all the cases and life is now becoming 0 at a fourth variant, then it will show you have passed all 4 wave and virus is defeated. But if durability of vaccine is becoming 0 and life is virus is present, then the vaccine failed to show this effect. And then same as in effect case, this was the code for basically study the vaccine behavior and to create a database for user. Now again going to run the code. Now let's say I have registered a patient, then I am giving username, then it is showing registered. Now if you want to effect or inject, I am selecting effect, inject, sorry, pressing 1 Yeah, let's say the virus is now life is becoming 0, but durability in vaccine is present. So virus is defeated, vaccine proves to efficient during this wave 1, and moving to next wave. Now you will study the next wave. In the next wave, vaccine durability is increasing to 150, and virus life is which I assigned as 100. Now you will study the next effect. And now if I am injecting, durability is also reducing, virus life. Now if effect, say vaccine durability is reducing, but life is not reducing if you do effect. So this was the case. Now I'm exiting the code. This was the and this was the concept of file handling which I used to store all the data here in these text files. Okay, so this was code. Thank you.